Hey guys, you might be thinking, wow, this is a little bit different for Nova's usual videos, and I would say you are absolutely correct and you get a gold star. Yes, today what we're going to be doing is sorting out this bad boy of a drawer. This is my pajama drawer for the most part, but there's also miscellaneous clothes that really shouldn't be in there. Just because, like, they're not pajamas. It's like t-shirts and stuff. But basically I want to sort out this drawer, get out all the clothes that I want to donate, because recently my closet has been kind of going through a little transformation, and I'm trying to get rid of all the clothes that I, like, never wear, including pajama jams. So that's what we're going to be doing today. This is going to be a really chill video. And if you're thinking, wow, she's wearing the same outfit as she did in the the Depop haul video, you would be correct again. Gold star. Yes, that's because it is the same day, about 5 minutes later. I'm gonna move this bear because it's bothering me. Actually, it's a dog, but it's bothering me where it is. She's super cute. Look at her. Just a little bit sad. Like, I'm not, like, depressed. Like, you know? I'm just sad because school's starting in a few weeks, and that's really sad. When does school start for you? This is gonna be a little tough because I've already donated a lot of my clothes, so this is gonna be, like, cutthroat, okay? So, I didn't even know I had this shirt. It's from my old high school. Like, not that I'm in college, it's just from the high school I used to go to. Because I go to a different high school. I went there for a year. But this is actually my brother's shirt, so we're gonna donate it. This is a shirt from my 8th grade year. Really great year. 8th grade was probably, like, the best year yet. I feel like 8th grade is like the senior year of middle school, so senior year is probably also going to be, like, just as good, you know? So for little story time, just a little story time. For our 8th grade, we had an 8th grade trip. And the year before us, in order to go on the 8th grade trip, you had to buy the 8th grade shirt, which was only like $10, right? So we didn't know if we were going to have that same policy. So we were asking the administrators if we had to or not. And they never really gave us an exact answer, but they made us kind of believe that we did have to buy the shirt in order to go on the trip. And of course we wanted to go on the fucking trip. So a lot of us bought the shirt. And then after, like, literally the last day to buy the shirts, they said, and I quote, "You don't have to buy the shirt to go on the trip, but it would be nice to have it to kind of, you know," like, they were like, what does it say about you if you don't even pay for the shirt that's funding the trip? Like, first of all, bitch, this isn't even what's funding the fucking trip. That doesn't make any sense. It was so dumb, and I paid for the stupid shirt, and then they announced that we didn't even have to go on the trip. Stupid. And I hate this color. Donate. I will literally never get rid of my Wonder Woman onesie, and you can fight me. Look at it. It is so cute. Oh, she's so beautiful. My God. I'm literally never getting rid of this. I literally just thrifted this shirt, like, not even that long ago. And it's a rice, this was in my thrifting video, like, the one with my friend. Like, it's a rice shirt, but I'm never going to rice. I don't even have any type of grades to get into rice. I don't even want to go to rice. Why did I don't even want to play volleyball. Why did I buy this shirt? It was a mistake, and it's going back. This Bob's Burger shirt, I don't wear it that often, and it's really not that cute. So I might just give this to my friend because she loves Bob's Burgers. I'll ask her if she wants it, and if she doesn't want it, then I'll keep it. Okay. These pants, these sweatpants, honestly, we've been through a long run. She's there for me, but I got dehydrated and the run is over. So you're getting donated. This stupid choir shirt, music. I've had this choir shirt for years and I literally have no idea what I said. Music, a world within itself. Yeah, it's cute. It is a nice, like, choir shirt. In general, like, I think they're usually, like, they look pretty lame. But I still don't want it anymore, so you're being donated. Oh, this is from my year. I went to summer camp and we had to make shirts for our different teams. I was on the Power Ranger team, so I put hashtag that power and a little lightning bolt. Good times. But I hate the color orange, so that was just our team color, so I'm donating. Oh, this Miraculous Ladybug shirt. I literally never wear it, but it's so, like, cute, and my mom got it for me for Valentine's Day because she knew I was single and sad and lonely, but Miraculous Ladybug makes me feel like I'm in a relationship. So I'm gonna keep her. This Victoria's Secret's, like, potato sack of a dress I'm gonna keep because it's so comfy. And yeah. These shorts I wear all the time. Not getting rid of those. See, this is what I mean. Like, this is another one of those, like, not graphic, but, like, shirts with, like, words on it that I would never wear. First snap, then rule. Like, what head ass wrote on these shirts? I just want to know. I'm gonna keep this one. And yeah, I'm gonna keep it because, again, it's, like, super comfortable. It's, like, the same brand. It's super comfortable, okay? Another 8th grade shirt. We got this. Another 8th grade story time. This was with First Star, and every, like, ELA teacher had a different shirt. And it said, we got this with the teacher's name on it. And they're super cute, and yeah. But I don't want it anymore. So, I literally just got rid of all my 8th grade shirts. Oh my god. I think I still have one somewhere. Maybe I donated it already. Okay, this gray shirt, it, like, fits really well, but I never wear it. So, like, why would I keep it? But at the same time, like, what if I want to wear it, you know? And it's so, like, nice quality. Like, it's a good shirt. Ugh, you're such a good shirt. I can't unfold you. It's such a good shirt. But I'm never gonna wear it, so. It's like with church shirt. Do I want it? Going public. This was such a good year for me. Like, the year I did all this stuff with my church was such a good year. But do I want to keep it? Nah. Well, I kind of wear it a lot. I'll keep it. Then this shirt's, of course I'm keeping it. I just want to show it off. Yuriana's Victor Nerkov shirt. Is that how you say his last name? I don't know, but he is my husband, and I will never get rid of this shirt. I did cut off the sleeves because the sleeves were really cramping my style, but it is such a cute shirt, and my friend got it for me, and I love her, and I'm never getting rid of it. This shirt I wear all the time. It's literally the most garbage shirt in the world, though. I should probably throw it away, but I'm keeping it. And then finally, this shirt. This shirt really, like, I don't even feel like donating it. Like, it just needs to be thrown away. Like, there are, like, bite marks and shit on it. It's so gross, so I'm throwing it away. And that's it for this video. Did you guys enjoy watching me do daily household chores? Not that this is like a daily thing that I do, but this isn't like anything interesting, like, you know. But I feel like I should encourage you guys to go ahead and go through your closets and sift through and kind of get rid of everything that you don't wear or don't like, because if you don't wear it now, then you're probably never gonna wear it. And I don't even buy clothes that I'm not gonna wear. Like, I'll go shopping with my mom, and she'll be like, Ariana, this shirt is so cute. And I'm like, yeah, but if you buy it for me, I'm not gonna wear it, so you might as well save your money. Like, just don't buy clothes that you're not gonna wear. And I know you kind of end up with a lot of these like shirts from like different things like choir or maybe band. I don't know what losers watch this. No, I'm kidding. No, but you end up with a lot of like free shirts from like things such like events that you go to. Like I have so many free like Chevron and like STEM related shirts from like events that I went to for school, and now I just have the shirts. I never wear them. And it's like, you know what, like, get rid of these shirts and stuff, and just get rid of clothes that you're not going to wear. Go ahead and donate them, or you can sell them to Plato's Closet, make a little cash. But just, like, don't keep them around, because all they're going to do is take up space. Like, a lot of these shirts I've literally had for, like, years. Go ahead and get rid of them. And clean out your closets, and make room for stuff that you actually want to wear, so you can start developing a style. And that's all I've got to say. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a like. Which I kind of doubt. This was kind of boring, right? This was kind of a boring video. Yeah. But go ahead and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and leave a dislike if you didn't enjoy it. Go ahead and subscribe if you like my face. And go ahead and subscribe if you don't like my face. Because that way you can get notified when I upload and see my face. And feel better about your own face because you don't have my face. Makes sense, I know. And yeah, that's it for this video. Yeah. Let's try to do this with my toe. Do 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 do.